Hi there, welcome to my channel. Thank you for taking the time to click on this video. Make sure you swing on by, subscribe. You can join me on other platforms. This is the spot for all the jewelry lovers. I was the first one on YouTube to do it and I'm not going anywhere. So I appreciate you being here and don't be shy. Come speak to me, come say hi to me. I promise I'm really nice. Enjoy this video. Hi. Hello, hello. We are starting off with a bang. So, yeah, check out these studs. Everything in this video will be earrings. Okay, guys, so I totally went on a Moissanite shopping spree. Not everything in this video is Moissanite, but we want to play a game. Let's see if you can guess which pieces are. Look at those. But speaking of the Moissanite, my stuff is certed. So everything came with certs and paperwork and certificates. Again, guys, I am totally in love with Moissanite now. So I also want to show you these earrings. These are genuine pearl. And, I really do believe that stud earrings are a classic. A lot of you have multiple piercings. I don't. I only have one piercing per ear, but you can't go wrong with studs. But speaking of studs, these are dangles. These are beautiful. I want the matching necklace, but it's sold out. Look at the quality of these stones. These are moissanite. So not everything in moissanite is just a solitaire. But speaking of solitaire, now these are moissanite. And don't they look like blue diamonds? If these were blue diamonds, they would cost a fortune. They would be natural and not irradiated. Natural blue diamonds would look exactly like this. These are stunning. So in this video, I will show you some colored pieces of moissanite because I pounced on them the minute I saw them. They are not as common as the white moissanite. So, so beautiful. For example, these are pink moissanite. And if these were natural pink diamonds, they would be so, so expensive. They would be out of my price range for sure. I don't know about you, but in moissanite, sign me up. Like they're absolutely gorgeous. Just the perfect shade of pink. So sweet and such a classic. Studs are just an everyday classic and they look good on everybody. So definitely check them out. If you are in the market for diamond studs, may I suggest that you try moissanite first so you can try different styles. Look at these. So when I purchased a lot of this moissanite, it was pieces that were pieces of my dreams that I just can't get in diamonds, like the blue and the pink. I do have plenty of diamond earrings, but moissanite allows me to have a little fun. Look at these. These are snowflakes. Now, would I buy these in diamond? No, because they're snowflakes. But in moissanite, this was just such a good purchase. Moissanite is not the cheapest stone, but it's nowhere near as expensive as a diamond or even lab diamond. It's less expensive than lab diamond if you're curious. I know lab diamonds are a thing, and I do want to try some lab diamond earrings. These are beautiful. Just beautiful. Now, my diamond studs don't have halos. My diamond studs don't look like some of these. And then for the moissanite, I did buy replica items as well. So some of these look just like my diamond studs. So I can wear these instead of my diamonds, if you get what I mean. But aren't these beautiful? So, so beautiful. What do you think about stud earrings? Do you like them? Here's a classic pair. Super classic. I mean, look at this. Look at this. If these were diamonds, they would be D or E and like VVS, which would run you about like what, $20,000. And if you can get them in moissanite for 800, you know what I mean, compared to 20,000. And look at these. These are very sweet princess cuts. What I loved was that I was able to try cuts that I normally wouldn't necessarily pick in diamonds. I don't have any princess cut diamond earrings actually. Now these, remember I said I only have one piercing? These are magnetic. So I can look like I have two piercings. Isn't this cool? These are magnetic. There's no post. And they do work. They stay on the ears. Super cool. Had to show these. So exciting. Everything is in precious metal and so fun. So check these out. These are little huggies and they're so sweet, right? Like, look at that. I hope you guys like everything in this video. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and talk to me in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What piece is your favorite? Do you have any of these? Have you purchased Moissanite? Do you think Moissanite is worth the money? Do you see it as luxurious? These are pretty little earrings. These are little crosses. And one is in white and one is in yellow because I bought one of each. So I'm just showing you two birds with one stone here. So very, very pretty. Simple, sweet. Again, on days where I just don't want a big, heavy earring. Look at the sparkle. Very, very, very nice. Now, guys, these are black moissanite. Black. And I do have black diamond studs that are actually bigger than this. It looks identical, except the black diamonds tend to have a little bit of scratches on the surface. This is so good, like so, so good. And of course, I do have black spinel, but yeah, if you see black moissanite, oh my gosh, it's so good. So, so good. Now, check these out. You will notice that some of these pieces are matching items to what has been shown in previous videos, and or they will have matching necklaces, which you will see in the future. And please be respectful. My money, my business. It's really my business. Everything was purchased with my own money. Nothing was gifted or sent to me. Everything was purchased with my own money. It was not purchased all at once. Look at these with the pink halo. Now I have matching pieces to this. So gorgeous. Pink sapphire is my birthstone. Just stunning. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. I have no words. Sometimes I wonder if I should just shut up and play these clips with no audio. Let me know. Some of you like to hear me talk. You guys like to hear me as background noise. And okay, look at these. Do these look familiar? Uh-huh. Do these look familiar in rose gold? Let me know. If you know, you know. Mm-hmm. Hopefully those look familiar to you guys. And now look at these. Just classic. Like if you want studs, you don't have to get the typical 4-prong setting. You can get 6, you can get 8, you can get bezel, you can get half bezel, you can get milligrain. There are all different types of styles to suit everybody. These are little huggies and they're very cool because they are actually in a V shape. They look like straight little lines here. And I have seen earrings like that. I think I have a pair, but these are actually in like little V shapes, which I'll show you. See? Look at that. Very cool. Some of you men watching this video, I know you guys wear studs as well, or like small earrings. So you fellas might want to try moissanite as well, and diamond and all the rest. These are little hoops, very small little huggies. Again, these could totally be unisex, or again, for you people with multiple piercings. I'm just giving you guys ideas as you tend to your own jewelry collection. Hopefully this video is a little inspo, but I think my choices are very understated luxury. What are they saying now? Quiet luxury? You know, you can't necessarily brand these things. Now, these are classic, totally classic. Look at that. Is this moissanite? What do you think? Look at the stone setting around the base. Absolutely fantastic. And I don't do these videos to brag, guys. And I'm not selling anything. There's no thrifting here. There's no auctions or anything on my channel. These are my own personal jewelry collections. Now look at these babies. Oh, look at them. They're like heirloom quality, aren't they? You could say these are flowers. Just absolutely magnificent. I cannot wait until the weather gets warmer and my ears actually show. Normally my ears don't even show. I have very small ears. So unless my hair is tucked back behind my ears or up or something, you don't even see my ears. I have a lot of earrings for someone with only one piercing whose ears don't show. But how gorgeous are these, right? Can't go wrong. Now, these are obviously, look at the color on these. Moissanite. They're like a green, like a deep green color. So I thought those were cool. I will try to link any similar products below, like check out the tagged products. If I find anything, I will tag it so you guys can shop. These are beautiful with a vintage inspired setting. Mhm. These would be really precious on a little girl. Like if you need gift ideas, this is definitely a video for you too. Now look at these. These are like an aqua teal color. Again, these are moissanite, and every time I see the colors, I kind of get them just to try them. It's so pretty. The color is just not that common, but it's really, really, really pretty. And you will see some matching pieces. Now look at these sweet little hearts. Now, again, with my own money, am I really going to buy a heart cut diamond? Not really. I mean, if any of you want to send me a heart shaped diamond, please do. But these are moissanite. Like, this is just literally the next best thing. Even a heart cut lab diamond would be pricey. So I saw these in moissanite and was like, yes, please, I'll take them. Very, very, very pretty. And again, it's just a great way to try shapes that you haven't tried or might not try in a diamond. These are champagne. They're champagne and they really, really do look like natural champagne diamonds. I wish the color was a little richer, but this is very true to color. Princess cuts. Again, all of my diamond studs, I mean, I'm thinking off the top of my head here, but I'm pretty sure all of my diamond earrings are not princess cut, if I'm not mistaken. So this is great. Like this is just great for me to try different things and see if I would invest in princess cut diamond studs. More beauties. These are like approximately 30 points or so, quarter of a carat. So if you, I have these in diamonds like all day, every day, but try them in moissanite if you don't have the budget. These I called my Christmas tree earrings because they just look like Christmas trees, like the color, like that pine with the lights. But these are moissanite, and these were surprising when I got them, but I really do like them. These are a beautiful, like a emerald cut, which I mean, I wish I could have these in diamond, but look at that. So pretty. They're just icy and sleek. Very sleek, very clean, just gorgeous. And I feel so blessed to have these. It's just fun. It's really, really fun. And no, I won't be getting any more piercings in my ears. I just really don't think so. These beautiful earrings, these are X's. How fun, right? So pretty. My aunt gave me vintage ones in diamonds. Look at these and see the setting on these where the metal is more prominent and so you get more of that two-tone look. Absolutely fabulous. Yeah, so pretty. I'm sure all of you look amazing in your stud earrings as well. Don't forget to join my Instagram if you want to see me in some of these things sometimes when I start wearing them. You can join me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. I also have a Pinterest. Same username as here. This is really pretty, kind of designer inspired, almost like that clover look, if you will. Um, yeah, my email is also going to be in the description box below if you need to get in touch with me for business purposes. If you want me to test out your jewelry line, let me know. Now, here's a classic. These were just classic, classic, classic. So, my diamond studs look identical to these, and I won't even tell you how much they were, but look at that. These have a halo. A sweet little surprise. So pretty. So, so pretty. Can't go wrong. And now again, a fun shape. These are pears. Again, would I necessarily use my money on these in diamond? No. But in moissanite, heck yeah. Just amazing. These are amazing. And it was nice to try a new shape. And I do see the difference between these and CZs because I do have pair CZs. This just looks way more believable. And they do test as diamonds. That's something that happens with moissanite. Well worth the money. And last but not least, look at these. They're so pretty. Again, hearts. They're just gorgeous. Like I feel like a Hollywood starlet. Anyway, thank you all for joining me. Let me know if you loved this video. Happy shopping and keep growing your jewelry collection. Take care, Glamazons. I will see you with more jewelry videos. Bye.